Continuous monitoring. Information Security Continuous Monitoring, ISCM, is defined as maintaining ongoing awareness of information security, vulnerabilities, and threats to support organizational risk management decisions. Define an ISCM strategy. Establish an ISCM program. Implement an ISCM program. Analyze data and report findings. Respond to findings, and review and update the ISCM strategy and program. Define an Information Security Continuous Monitoring (ISCM) strategy based on risk tolerance that maintains clear visibility into assets, awareness of vulnerabilities, up-to-date threat information, and mission business impacts. Establish an Information Security Continuous Monitoring (ISCM) program determining metrics, status monitoring frequencies, control assessment frequencies, and an ISCM technical architecture. Implement Information Security Continuous Monitoring (ISCM) program and collect the security-related information required for metrics, assessments, and reporting. Automate collection, analysis, and reporting of data where possible. Analyze the data collected and report findings, determining the appropriate response. It may be necessary to collect additional information to clarify or supplement existing monitoring data. Respond to findings with technical, management, and operational mitigating activities or acceptance, transference sharing, or avoidance rejection. Review and update the monitoring program, adjusting the ISCM strategy and maturing measurement capabilities to increase visibility into assets and awareness of vulnerabilities, further enable data-driven control of the security of an organization's information infrastructure, and increase organizational resilience.